we will start activities of class 6, chapter number 3, separation of substances. Activity 3.5. So our activity is to separate mud and water from muddy water by the process of sedimentation, decantation and filtration. In this activity, we use different apparatus. First one is we need some sand particles, okay, stirrer to mix the sand particles in water, beaker containing some water, one empty beaker, funnel and a funnel containing with the filter paper, okay, and a small beaker of 80 ml. And this is a tripod stand. So firstly we have to prepare the two processes, sedimentation and decantation. For sedimentation we have to mix some sand particles inside the water. I poured some sand particles into water and mix it with a stirrer. Now let the mixture stand for half an hour. Now you can observe that a beaker containing the sand particles, some of the sand particles are settled down inside at the bottom of a beaker, okay. So that sand particles are also known as a sediments, and this process is also known as a sedimentation, okay. Now for a second step, we are going for a second step. In second step, we pour out the upper layer of water into the other beaker without disturbing the sediments that is present inside this beaker. Now you can see that the sand particles are settled down in a first beaker, okay, and we can pour out the upper layer of the water into a second beaker. So that process is known as a decantation.
Chalo.
Now you will find that water collected in the second glass is still not clear and is brownish in color, okay. So we can separate out this water with another technique is known as a filtration, okay. So with the help of a filter paper, firstly take a circular piece of filter paper and fold it twice. Means firstly we have to fold it with a half first and a second fold and make it a cone. Now you can see that a cone is formed. Now place the cone shaped filter paper inside a funnel as I put it previously by making a cone of a filter paper. Pour out the process of decantation means a water that is not still clear into the filter paper. Means you have to pour the muddy water into the filter paper cone using a glass rod. Now you can observe that the water is collected in the small beaker, okay. So that process is known as a filtration, means we have to filter out the muddy water with the help of a filter paper, and clearly you can observe that the okay. Now you can observe that the sediments in unfiltered water are collected at the sides of a filter paper, okay. So this is the process of filtration, and I hope that you will understand the three processes. First one is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So I hope you will understand very well. Thank you and have a nice day.